All right, they're going in the tunnels in an attempt to lose the chopper. Will it work? Let's find out. Let's hope a train doesn't come right about this time. Maybe that's what they were calling was a train. This could be a death trap waiting to happen, as there's likely a train en route right this second. The van's not handling very well off-road. The police seem to have stopped. There's a crash. The cops have crashed. That or the individuals have now jumped off.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Ladies and gentlemen, Ron Arman live at the scene where every officer on the force is now dead except for Fat Cop. Fat Cop's still up. I called it on the train. Pound sign train massacre. Ladies and gentlemen, pound sign train massacre. Let me get this on the gram. Ladies and gentlemen, Ron Ottoman live at the scene. Hashtag pound sign train massacre. As a train has now been called. At the moment that the officers were crashed out on the bridge, all the individuals jumped down